Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to my review of the Kubey Momentum folding knife. Here's a closer look at it for you. G10 handle scales. It is a liner lock, skeletonized pocket clip. It has a front flipper and thumb studs. It comes in different colors. I kind of like the red, definitely. It has open pillar construction, a lanyard hole. The blade shape is ideal for slicing, lots of belly to it. There's a lockup. It is a flat grind. Here it is in pocket. So it has a deep carry style of pocket clip. Right, there's a closer look at it for you. Skeletonized. The weight on this knife is 4.44 ounces, and in grams that is 125.9 grams. Alright, initial sharpness. Here it is on the old paper. Alright, not bad, not bad. Now for a folding knife, it is actually a little thick for a folder. Alright, there's two ways to open this, right? You got the thumb studs, and the pivot on this is very smooth. See how it fires off? Or you can use that front flipper, right, which has some jimping on it there. And again, the pivot is very smooth. This thing just fires off. There you go. Here it is cutting some things, whittling on this piece of wood. So I hope you're all doing well in this new year, socially, economically, mental health-wise, physical health-wise. So we had several days where we had 15-mile-per-hour winds, and the temperature was right around the freezing mark. But with the winds, with the wind chill factor, it was well below freezing. All right, but other than that, things have been pretty good in the new year. I have more Kubey reviews coming up. Gonna do some folders. Also got a steel will folding knife. Now this Kubey knife, it's in the budget category, definitely. I mean, these days people are rocking such expensive folding knives. So this would be a budget play. As you see, it did really excellent at the whittling task. Here it is cutting a strap. There you go. Pretty useful. Cutting more things. Here it is cutting some paracord. Yeah, I could see this as a good budget everyday carry blade for utility. Alright, pieces of a box. Alright, utility function. That's thick too. There is a comparison with other Kubey knives, so we have a variety of blade shapes represented there. Not sure which blade shape speaks to you, but I will definitely be reviewing those others soon. I've already reviewed the kukri. Below the video I will list links to all of these for your convenience, and those work if you are in the USA. Please try to use those links. But what are the high points of this knife? Lots of belly to the blade shape, so a very good slicer, slightly thicker than most folders, so stronger built. The pivot was very smooth, deployment first rate, lockup first rate, came sharp, good price. Hope you enjoyed seeing it. This has been We All Juggle Knives.